In this tutorial, we will be learning database replication. We will explore what database replication is, why it is important, how it works, and the different types of replication commonly used in database systems. Database replication is the process of copying and maintaining the same data across multiple database servers. Instead of storing information in only one location, replicated databases allow identical copies to exist on different servers. This improves system availability, reliability, and performance. Replication is important because it keeps services available even if one server fails. It also provides backup copies for disaster recovery, allows users to access data from nearby servers, distributes workload among multiple servers, and improves overall system performance. The replication process begins when the primary database receives new transactions or updates. These changes are captured and transmitted to one or more replica databases. The replicas then synchronize with a primary database, ensuring they contain the same information. The most common architecture is primary replica, where one database handles writes while replicas mainly handle reads. In multi-primary replication, multiple databases can both read and write data. Peer-to-peer replication allows every database node to function equally and synchronize changes across the network. You have completed the tutorial on database replication and the introduction to database systems. You are now ready to apply the concepts you have learned by exploring how database replication works in real-world scenarios and implementing replication techniques in practical database environments.